Hello guys, welcome to IT networking. So you deleted file again come back on place. So how to resolve? Means deleted file and go to recycle bin, but again come back. So actually we want to repair recycle bin. So click to start button and type CMD. Then guys right click to run as administrator. Then yes. Okay. Then guys type command rd space slash s space slash q space c column dollar re recycle dot bin and then enter. So guys, you type this command, I will give you in description, so you solve your problem and then restart your. Okay, bye bye, take care.